Have you ever wondered, which came first, the lathe or the milling machine? It may seem like a simple curiosity for enthusiasts. But in reality, this question leads us to explore the roots of the modern mechanical industry, and the way in which innovation has transformed two fundamental machines: the lathe and the milling machine. Let's start with the lathe. Considered the oldest machine tool in the world, its first versions date back to 1300 BC. In Egypt and Mesopotamia, rudimentary rope systems were used to rotate the workpiece, with simple but already effective tools. The real leap in quality, however, came with the Industrial Revolution. In 1797, Henry Maudslay created the first lead screw lathe, capable of threading with precision. That's where the concept of modern turning was born. A machine that we find in every workshop today, but with highly advanced processing capabilities. And the milling machine? Its birth is much more recent. We have to wait until the 19th century to see the first models appear. One of the first to use it was Eli Whitney, who in 1818 developed a machine to produce rifles with interchangeable parts, an innovation that radically changed the way metals were worked. During the 20th century, with the introduction of rotary cutters and CNC work centers, milling made a huge leap forward. Today it is one of the pillars of chip removal processing. But what is the real difference between a lathe and a milling machine? From a technical point of view, the lathe rotates the piece to be worked while the tool remains still. The milling machine, on the other hand, keeps the piece still and moves the tool. Two different, but complementary, logics. In the workshop, these machines are often placed side by side precisely because they complement each other. The lathe is ideal for very high precision cylindrical processing. Milling machines, especially 5-axis ones, allow you to create complex geometries and details that are inaccessible with other systems. Let's look at some technical data in comparison. A CNC lathe can reach up to 6,000 revolutions per minute, with a precision of up to plus or minus 0.005 millimeters. Perfect for making shafts, bushings, discs, and symmetrical components. A CNC work center, on the other hand, can reach up to 40,000 revolutions per minute, and reach a precision of plus or minus 0.002 millimeters. Ideal for molds, complex three-dimensional components and high-precision drilling. So, which came first? The answer is clear: the lathe. But it is the milling machine that has revolutionized the way we think and design mechanical components. Where the lathe laid the foundations, the milling machine has expanded the possibilities. And today, in the modern metalworking industry, one can no longer do without the other. It is precisely in the synergy between turning and milling that the challenge of innovation is played out. A challenge that looks to the future, with roots firmly in history. If you are interested in the history, innovation and technologies of the metalworking world, subscribe to our channel now. Every week new videos, technical insights and curiosities from the heart of the workshops. Activate the bell to not miss any updates. See you in the next video.